In today's video, we will take out the rear bumper of 2019 Toyota Rav4. We will start from the underneath side. We'll take out the first clip using door upholstery remover. Then take out the second clip, which is right besides. Followed by the third clip, which is a little inwards. Similar clip from the other side is damaged due to an accident, but make sure you take that clip out as well. So 4 clips in total. Underneath the mudguard, take out two 10mm screws. I am using an impact gun with 10mm nut setter, but you can use a round head ratchet with a 10mm nut setter. Done from the underneath side, and we will jump onto the corner. Using a small ratchet with a Phillips bit, we will take out 3 screws one by one. With that, we are done taking out the mudguard. On top of the mudguard, there was one 10mm screw that also needs to be removed. Right besides that, there is also a clip that we need to take out. Now we will take out the plastic trim cover. We need to push these tabs and then gently pull the cover outwards so that the trim cover loses its grip and comes out. We're not taking out the complete trim cover, just taking it out to the point where we have an access to that clip that needs to be removed. Clip is out. Now we will slightly pull the bumper from the edge. With that, we are done from the corner. Now we will open the trunk. We need to remove the trim cover for the taillight with a trim remover tool. Behind that trim cover, there is one 10mm screw that needs to be removed. Right underneath of that screw is a Phillips screw that needs to be removed using a Phillips screwdriver. Now the other side has an accident, so I would not be able to demonstrate the process. Whatever we did on the other side, the exact same process needs to be done on this side as well. It's the exact same process, just compare it to the other side that I showed earlier. I assume in the perfect world you have taken out both sides. Now we are good to pull down the bumper completely. Now in our case, the bumper had an accident, but in your case, if you're taking down the bumper, you would need to take out one plug. This main plug is for the rear sensors. Make sure you take out this plug attached right there. There should only be one plug connecting this with this. With that, we are done taking out the rear bumper completely. If this video helps you in any way, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel.